Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency which started as a joke in 2013 featuring a Shiba Inu dog, has now emerged as a tough competition to the cryptocurrency giant Bitcoin. Now, if you compare the last 12 months' return, Dogecoin has registered a return of 18,600% compared to 650% of Bitcoin. Hi everyone, I'm Abhishek. I'll give you a comparative study between Bitcoin and Dogecoin, and among these two, which one I feel is better for investment. Now, if you compare some of the factors or some of the things which are there in Dogecoin and Bitcoin, I feel Dogecoin is better than Bitcoin because some of the factors are it has lower fees, higher transaction speed, is not concentrated by the top 2% holders, Dogecoin price is more stable, mining is still profitable, and Chinese miners don't control the network. So these are some of the factors which actually went for the Dogecoin. Now if you go a little deep, now Dogecoin transaction fees are quite lower. Means on an average, if you see the transfer fee for Bitcoin is around $15, and in some BG hours it can rise to $60. Now if you compare that with Dogecoin, it's only less than $1. Now Dogecoin transactions are again much faster. Bitcoin has a block time of 10 minutes, whereas Dogecoin block time is only 1 minute. So theoretically, Dogecoin can handle 10x more transaction in a given time during maximum network load. Dogecoin disincentivizes hoarding. Now, you all know Bitcoin has a very limited supply, only to the tune of 21 million. And Bitcoin is now considered as an investment vehicle. It's not a currency. On the contrary, Dogecoin is intentionally designed as an inflationary coin so that people don't hoard them. Dogecoin has the characteristics to become a real digital currency, whereas Bitcoin doesn't. Now, mining Bitcoin would be unprofitable after some point of time because the supply is limited to 21 million. But if you compare this with Dogecoin, which has currently an outstanding of 130 billion, and every year 5 billion more Dogecoins is coming to the market, so the mining for Dogecoin will be much more profitable compared to the limited supply Bitcoin. Dogecoin also negates lost coin effect. It is estimated that around 20% of Bitcoin is lost forever due to forgotten passwords, lost phones, and corrupt computers. Dogecoin actually evaded all these things. Bitcoin concentrates only to the few top people around the world, but Dogecoin is much more distributed. So, because of all these reasons mentioned above, like lower fees, higher transaction speed, it's not concentrated by top two holders, price is more stable, mining is profitable, I believe Dogecoin is better than Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.